So what did you guys build today?
Wouldn't you like to know? What we have right here are two gaming PCs. I want to talk about this one first. This one features a Ryzen 7 1700X, a little bit of a throwback, but it does come with an AB350 motherboard, which will be upgradable to 5000 series if you want to. But also, we're using an RX 6600 XT, a 1TB NVMe SSD, 60 gigs of RAM, Zolman 600 watt power supply, a nice NZXT AIO, and altogether, this PC will be $850 at PC Bros and looks really clean with an awesome upgrade path.
Speaking of upgrade path, we got this one right here with the i3-12100F, a PowerColor RX 6500 XT, a Gigabyte B660M Aorus Elite Wi-Fi motherboard, 1TB PNY NVMe, PNY Accelerate 16 gigs 3200 MHz, the Zolman 600 watt 80 plus bronze, the VTrue V240, once again that upgrade path, the BitPhoenix Nova Mesh white ARGB, and this one will be $875 at PC Bros. So two relatively budget gaming PCs.
So yeah, buy this PC or this PC or many others over at PCBros.tech. You can even buy build mats. Look at this thing. Really great for building a PC if you're a PC builder at home or just want something for your massive desk. We have build mats and gaming desk pads you can buy today.